Let's talk now about modifying audio cuts within the DAD library. So what I'm ultimately doing here is I'm going to maybe change the title of an audio track or make some adjustments to the artist or album name. Maybe there was incorrect information, or I just want to streamline that process a little bit. In this case, it says I'm in the INS instrumental folder with this Around the Christmas Tree holiday music bed that I imported. Now, I have all this extra information in here where it says full and these other old cut numbers that came from the file that I imported. I want to get rid of those things, and I also want to delineate that this is in fact a Christmas music bed. So I'm going to select the track that I want to modify and then hit the modify button at the bottom of the library window. So this is all the metadata information that is associated with this particular audio cut. I could potentially change the cut ID if I wanted, but I know that this one works. So what I want to do is just eliminate some of this unnecessary information in the title. And I'm even going to get rid of some of the hyphens and add spaces where appropriate. But the other thing that I'm going to do, since we have lots of different instrumental music and I want to categorize them, I'm going to put Xmas right at the front. And then separate that from the rest of the title. That way, when I'm looking through all that stuff, I can easily determine, sort of what type of instrumental music this is. So that's an easy way to go ahead and do that stuff. I'm not particularly concerned with who the artist is or any of this other information, as long as I know it's a music bed in the instrumental folder and what type of music it might possibly be. Now, if I were uploading other cuts, there are some other things that I could be doing to this. I could set a kill date, which is a time in which we want this to stop playing. So let's say January 2nd would be an appropriate day for us to stop using a Christmas style, holiday style music bed. So I could set those things. I could say it's active only on certain days of the week or certain hours of the day. Since music beds of this nature are pretty much used at the discretion of the DJ, I'm going to make sure that it's available at all times and leave that up to each individual DJ. At this point, if I'm happy with everything that I've got here, then I can just hit close and save. And that's how you modify audio cuts within ENCO.